Try a little Wild Mountain Time on this little Bruko. I have a little harder time making the little Bruko flow, especially on those songs that want to draw the notes out and stuff a little bit. Uh, let's see, let's try the little Shenandoah. Love the little Bruko. It does definitely have a unique sound. I've always heard, sounds like a Bruko when somebody asks what it sounds like. And I'm probably not going to do it any more justice than trying to describe it any further than that. Thank you for watching.